Hey you guys, I have these Mospage laundry detergent sheets that were gifted to me. Allegedly they're eco-friendly and they are fresh scent, they easily dissolve, there's no mess, less plastic for you to deal with when washing your clothes. 50 of these are in the package and they're supposed to do 100 loads, so let's check them out. So I have all these white clothes right here to wash. No dyes, no optical brighteners, no parabens, no phosphates, bleach free, vegan cruelty free, MSDS certified. We have a lot of wipes in our house because I change out my face towels that I use to clean my body very frequently, and my towels that I dry my body. So that's going to be what they consider to be an extra large load. Okay, here are the sheets. You can divide them in half, it looks like, but this is considered to be one sheet. So we're going to throw those 2 sheets in. Got my sheets loaded. We got our 2 sheets in. We're going to wash on heavy duty. Now, I'm really anal about my wipes, so I'm going to let y'all know if this works or not. Free gift or not, I don't care. I'm going to be honest about it. Okay, everything looks white, everything smells great. And I'll also need to wash multiple loads because these loads, it's a white load and white loads have bleach, so it's kind of really affecting how clean it is versus if it's coming from the bleach effect or if it's coming from the wipe effect. So long story short, everything came out nice and clean, but I'll have to try it on color clothes that do not have bleach inside of them to have the ultimate decision-making video. Comment below if you guys want to see that. Talk to you later. Bye.